Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and open Mango Live on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and select Settings. Tap on Language. Select the language that you're comfortable with. You can select it by simply tapping on it once. Once you have selected the language, tap on Done at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed language on Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.